Hello, day 17. Oh, it always gets to this point where I have no idea what day we're on. What even day of the week is it? Thursday? Thursday. Yes, so we have booked in for a COVID test because I've lost my appetite loads. I've been feeling nauseous and had like a upset tummy now for 2 days, and I definitely am noticing a dullness in my taste. So just to be sure, we've booked in a test, and Stephen's going to have one too because he hasn't been feeling that great either. So yeah, fingers crossed on that one. That will be this afternoon. But I think being this close to Christmas, we really want to spend it with family. We want to go down and spend it with Stephen's parents, and if we're at all unsure and feeling unwell, of course we'll cancel because there's no way we want to pass it on, and we're not leaving the house apart from going to a test centre. So yeah, we'll keep you. I'll keep you posted on that. But anyway, more fun things. We're doing some DIY today. So we're putting DIY. We're putting the TV up on the wall. It's pretty full on DIY. Yeah, we're just kind of having a nice day in. I definitely seem to feel worse right in the mornings, and now it's already nearly lunchtime, so I'm feeling much better. And I've just had a snack because I couldn't handle breakfast, so that's good. So we'll see. I mean, I'm just really hoping I have a silly little stomach bug and it's going and it's fine. But because the world is how it is right now, it's best to know, isn't it? It's just best to know. So yeah, anyway, all right, speak to you later. Bye. B, do you want to open a Christmas card? It's to you. Do you want me to help? Here, do you want to pull it out? Very good. Oh, look, what's on the front? That's the back. What's on the front? B, look. Look. That's the front. What's on the front? Oh. Do you want me to read it to you, darling? Yeah? So it says, special granddaughter.
Oh, granddaughter.
Wishing you a magical Christmas. To our lovely Bee, wishing you a Christmas as special as you are. Cannot wait to spend it with you and Mummy and Daddy. Love you so much, Grandma and Grandpa.
Oh, Grandma and Grandpa sent you a Christmas card.
Yeah.
Do you want to wave at the camera and say hello to Grandma and Grandpa? Say hello.
Oh.
There we go.
Look, the horsey and the
Let's see the card.
rabbit. It's so pretty.
That's lovely. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Thank you. Right, let's see what's going on today. So Bee is playing with her bouncing men. It's been such a good toy, that. She's had it since she's about 4 or 5 months old and has loved it all the way through. The bouncing men. It's so good, isn't it? And then we're doing a spot, well, I always say we, I mean Stephen's doing a spot of DIY. I did a little bit, but I will hopefully help a lot more in a minute. So we are putting the TV, which has been there, we got given it by Stephen's parents a couple of weeks ago, up there instead, so that it's out of the way and not clear, taking up the room, the desk. And B probably doesn't know what we're doing, but she's excited about watching a movie, she says. And so yeah, that's happening, and then we're going to put the art up there instead because we've moved it. Do you need help?
Just opinions.
Oh, opinions are needed. Okay, I'll see you later. All done. That was actually not nearly as painful as I thought it would be, so that's good. So now we're going to put everything back, get that plugged in properly, and have some lunch. Well, my, what a lucky girl am I. Post time. So I'll talk about that in a minute. Let's just do, my secret sewing Santa has arrived from an unknown source. I literally have been given a card saying from your secret sewing Santa, so I don't know who that is, but basically, if you don't know, I think there was about 200 of us in the sewing community did a secret sewing Santa, and mine's just arrived as well to someone in Australia, and I'm really pleased that she's got it, so I'm very pleased about that. But this is my one from my secret sewing Santa, and I've got chocolate, I've got a nighttime tea, a bedtime infusion, and this little tin says, "It takes balls to knit, doesn't it just?" And inside are loads of really colourful, oh wow, that's out of focus, there we go, really colourful knitting markers. Sorry, I completely forgot the name for it there. Look at that. There we go. Knitting markers. So there's a lemon one, and there's all sorts in there, and they're so cute, and you can never have enough knitting markers. So I'm very, very happy about that. So thank you, Secret Sewing Santa. And then my lovely, lovely friend Hannah, who always just is the most thoughtful person I've ever met, rather be sewing on Instagram, sent me chockies and these birdies to hang on the tree. A lovely card that she clearly made herself because she's very, very clever. A present for under the tree. And B, aren't they beautiful? I mean, she made these. They're just gorgeous. She's just so thoughtful, this girl. B, do you want to help me put these on the tree? Should we hang these birds on the tree? Yeah? Come then, darling. Come and put them on the tree with me. So we have to open them up. Oh, go on then. Let's put them on the tree. Where do you want your one to go?
Here.
Here? Right, shall I do it for you, darling? So you've worked out where, and now Mummy is going to hang it up for you.
Mommy.
Yeah, look, here. Is that where you want it? Oh, the gingerbread house has fallen down. Or train, or whatever it is. Look!
Falling down, falling down.
Fallen down. Are you singing fallen down? Fallen down, fallen down. Look at that bird. Oh, how beautiful. Wow. Anyway, the point of this bit of video was just to say thank you so much to Hannah and to my Secret Sewing Santa. I'm so happy. Hello, Vlogmas Day 18. Oh my goodness, it's a week till Christmas. I can't believe it. So I will show you what we're up to today. Got a bit more DIY going on. We have had problems with the leads in there, and we need more room for B's books. So Stephen has moved them up to here. We're still trying to work out how to make leads look pretty, but we'll get there someday. Hello, there's Stephen up doing, what are you doing?
Sorry.
You can speak.
Yes.
I
thought you were going to do a commentary while I explained to
No.
I was just tidying up the...
The TV thing. Oh, don't worry. Well, we're going to take down the projector screen and the projector at some point. Stephen's also been putting pictures up, which is looking already lovely. B's books are everywhere because we're just clearing them up. And we've been doing more colouring of the windows. So I'm trying to do like a really lovely Christmas scene with like a gingerbread house, and the moon's up there with his Christmas hat on and a tree. And I don't know what I'll do in that window. Probably a snow. We need a snowman in here, definitely. So that's what's going on here. And yes, we will see you in a bit.
Sorry. 1 and 8. A.
Oh, straight away, B. You're becoming a pro.
Would you like Daddy to read it?
Me.
Are you going to come and read it with Daddy then? Today is quite a special day. Come here.
Oh.
A magical beast with which to play. They ask for you to find them, please, waiting on your red piano keys.
Oh.
Oh!
What's that?
Do you know what this is, B? It's a unicorn. Here you go. It's your unicorn.
It's your unicorn.
Wow.
Oh.
It's a bit like a horse, but it's got a horn on its head like a narwhal. Yes, your red piano. It was waiting there.
Oh.
Red piano, yes.
Right.
You are so wonderfully hyper.
Did you know? Did you know straight away that it was on the red piano? You went straight to it. Do you want to see if Unicorn can play the piano?
Oh, no.
She just cracks me up so much.
Is Unicorn playing the piano?
I know, says B. She knew that Unicorn could play piano.
Piano, yes.
Well done, darling. Well, that's day 18.
Mummy's behind you.
B,
Yes, Mummy. Do you want to go and show Mummy the unicorn?
can I see it? Hi, darling.
Whoa.
Wow. Oh, how lovely. Day 18, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, so tonight's Christmas movie is Home Alone 2. And we have mince pies and blue cheese. Oh yeah. And tea. And we're gonna say night night. See you tomorrow. Don't know what that voice. No, no. Anyway, see you next time. Lots of love. Bye.